Hey everyone, welcome back to Samiza World. Today, we've got a fascinating story. An ambulance overtaking a car. Sounds simple, but there's more to the story than meets the eye. Let's dive in. At first glance, it seems like a straightforward case of an emergency vehicle doing its job. But as the video circulated, it sparked a heated debate. First, let's break down what happened. In the video, you can see an ambulance approaching from behind a car. The car appears to hesitate for a moment before the ambulance overtakes it and speeds off to what we can assume is an emergency. Here's the crucial moment. The ambulance moves to overtake the car on a two-lane road. Some viewers criticize the driver of the car for not pulling over immediately, while others defended them, saying it wasn't clear if they had enough time or space to do so safely. So, who's in the right? To understand this, we need to look at the rules of the road regarding emergency vehicles. According to traffic laws in many countries, when an emergency vehicle approaches with sirens and lights on, drivers are required to pull over to the side of the road and stop if it is safe to do so. The goal is to clear the path for the emergency vehicle as quickly as possible. But what happens if the road conditions make it challenging to pull over immediately? Let's hear from an expert.
In situations where the road is narrow or there's heavy traffic, it might not be safe for a driver to pull over instantly. Drivers should stay calm and look for the earliest opportunity to move aside without causing additional hazard.
Great insight. It's crucial to prioritize safety, both for the emergency responders and other road users. Here are some tips for handling such situations. Stay calm and aware of your surroundings. Use your indicators to show your intention to pull over. Move to the side of the road as soon as it's safe. Avoid sudden stops that could cause accidents. So, in this particular incident, it seems like the driver was trying to find a safe moment to pull over, and the ambulance had to make a quick decision to overtake. The important takeaway here is to always stay alert and prioritize safety on the road. What do you think about the situation? Was the driver at fault, or were they just being cautious? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on intriguing stories like this one. Thanks for watching.